Hello there, first grade scientist. I am here in my classroom and I am standing right in front of a window. And what you notice is, probably notice how bright it is out there. And we just got done talking about light yesterday for the first time. And as you can see, it is very bright outside and the sun is out. The sun is actually a source of light. Um, and the sun is actually something we call a natural source of light. It was not made in a factory. You don't buy it. You don't buy the sun at the store. It just comes naturally. Whereas the lights above me, the lights in your house, all of the other lights, there are some other natural sources of light, but there are also lights that you can buy, and those are not natural sources of light. So that's what the difference is between those. But anyways, what we're talking about today is, if you notice, all of the light is around me. And if I look down at the floor, I'm going to try to do my best here. You can see the light has passed through the window, but you can see my hand. You can probably actually see my hand. Oh, if you see my hand waving, the light passes through the window of the sun. I'm sorry, you didn't really see it very well. But it doesn't pass through my hand. It doesn't pass through me. I make a shadow. And you notice that if you go outside, the light doesn't pass through you, but it passes through windows and other things. Why is that? That's what we're going to be learning today.
What made the dark parts of this picture? As you explore this lesson, you'll find out about how materials block light.
Okay, so you can see the sunset is here, but there are all of these drafts in the tree that are blocking the sun. So that's why you can see the outlines of them, because they block the sun. The sun cannot go through them. Same thing here. Same thing here. We have a puppet show. You shine a light and shine it at the wall, you can make puppets. However, all you see is the outline, the shadow that comes through it. Your hand, the light does not pass through your hand, it goes around it.
By the end of this lesson, I will be able to explain how shadows are made and that different amounts of light pass through materials.
So same thing here. She has a clear glass. And if you notice, especially down here at the bottom, you can see right through it and to the cabinet. But you cannot see the cabinet or anything in the part where her hand is. You notice that the light shines through down here, but where her hand is, the light cannot shine through. So light can shine through certain things, but it can't shine through other things. It just depends. And again, they're holding up a clear plastic sheet, and you can see right through it. The light can go right through it, but it can't go in the area where her hand is.
How much light passes through a clear glass bowl? Choose all light, some light, or no light.
So think about that. A clear glass bowl, kind of like that cup from before. Can you see all the light, some light, or no light through it? And if you said all light, you are correct, because all light can go through anything that is clear. An example of something that would be some light would be like a sheet of paper. And I don't know if you can kind of see it. My hand, you can kind of see my hand through this paper. If you look down, some of the light comes through and you can see a shadow, while other things do not. And so for today,
You have just finished how much light.
I'm going to keep talking. For today's seesaw activity, there is an assignment called light energy. It asks you to click the picture button, the camera button, to take 3 pictures of things, of lights that you can find outside, inside, wherever, and then write a sentence about why light is important. If the camera doesn't work, just draw 3 lights that you can find or sources of light. Again, it could be outside, inside, wherever. Thank you for listening, and that is your science for today. Have a great day.